all that orange goodness. And that's when I say 10 minutes tops.
All eyes on me, drinks on me, girls on me, on the dance floor. All eyes on me, who is he? Then you better come get your girl dog. All eyes on me, party like a rock star. You can find me in VIP. All eyes on me, yeah, where the girls are. This is how your night should be. All eyes on me, all eyes on the prize. Money supersized, G5 super fly, fly should be supervised.
Hi, welcome to Carter's Eat. Thank you guys for coming to my YouTube channel. Me and Green Organic and a few others out in the YouTube community, Kawana's Kitchen, I believe, are juicing. Get your juicing together, you guys. We want to live long, wholehearted, healthy, conscious thinking about what we're eating and putting in our body. I have lots of challenges with acid reflux, some eczema. I do love my fried chicken. I do love my shrimp and fish and all those good things. But Green Organic is on a ministry to make sure we're reminded that we want to walk away from white pills. We want to live healthy. We want to invest in ourselves. So we're going to jump right into the video. But before we do, I want to remind you to subscribe to Carter's Eat. Come on in, comment, commit, stick. Make an executive decision to stay with us, hang out with us, be informed of our family videos, family vlogs, challenge videos, eat with me and cook with me. We're a channel dedicated to family values, preserving our history, and entertaining while we do that, have a multi-generational home. So we hope that you guys hang out with us, watch our videos and playlists, let the ads play, and support Carter's Eat wholeheartedly. We're on the road to 5K, and I hope you subscribe today to be a part of our family. Today we're making celery, carrots, mango with a drop of lemon, and let's see how it tastes. Okay, hold on. A dash of lemon juice. We're gonna put the whole mango in. We've got some celery, carrots, and ginger. On Saturday's breakfast with the family, we put too much ginger. I like the kick. I want my mother to taste it. We're gonna call it a spritzer. So it is what it is. Let's get right into it. There's our ginger. I know you guys want to see it, so I will turn it towards you. And we will do this together. Okay, it will not start unless that's plugged in. Here we go. Family, that was on level 5. We do carrots, ginger, heavy roots on level 5. On level 5. I'm gonna do a green organic type of thing here. I'm gonna drop the whole mango skin in. Today, I am gonna talk about these I feel like I should put the whole root in. It's so thick, I don't think I'm allowed, I can. Seems as if the mango does have some type of root there. But I am using the skin, okay? The roots all in. Always line up your blender ridge first. I'm gonna let you guys push it for me. I did the mango on 5, you guys. I was supposed to do the celery on 3. But we did it on 5. Green organic, I'm enjoying the journey so far. The difference, if I can get personal, the day after our first juicing, I don't know if I'm that backed up or if we're menopausal, but it brought my cycle on. So I'm curious to know if that's part of the juicing, because I haven't had one in 5 months, ladies. So that kind of was like, whenever you start resetting your body, I do know those things start happening. But that's just one of my first observations. But I don't feel bloated like I normally do when it's that time of month. I feel very empty, which is good. So here's our carrots. We're going in with that batch first. And we'll get out of your way shortly. I want you to be able to see it coming out. Look at that carrot juice run out of there, you guys. Excited. You got a smidgen of lemon. I'm gonna let you see the pulp inside. Oh, my husband, as crazy as he is, likes to eat the pulp. That's just who Mr. Author is. We're gonna shake it a bit, come around and pour it for you guys. All that orange goodness. And that's when I say 10 minutes tops, get your life together, and thank you for coming. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! The Carter's eat. Ginger filled, it's almost like a ginger beer. A ginger beer with carrots. Thank you, Green Organic. If you guys don't know who she is, get there, get there, get there, get there, get there. Get by her house, support her. Start your juicing 2020. Get it together. It's a 2020 health challenge. And be sure to check out my next video about beast mode and his decision. His decision. We'll see you in the next video. Fantastical.
Do or die, open up your eyes, head to the sky, keep a mean bad mommy on the side. Make a tsunami, kamikaze on the mind, spit flow, paparazzi, flash shine, get dough, champagne.